Today we're gonna make Halloween costumes. Don't worry, it's not another tutorial how to make a devil or angel's costume. In this video I'm going to show you how to transform pieces from your wardrobe into cool creative costumes in slow fashion style. So let's start it! Cześć everybody, this is Kamila from Polish Marketplace. Thank you to all new subscribers. If you are new to this channel, what we discuss here is how to be a conscious fashion consumer and how to find style which embraces our personality. Like this video and subscribe if you are not already. Before we start, let me know in the comment section below what costume I'm wearing right now. In the next part of the video, I'm going to show you how to make this costume step by step. And so let's go back to the main topic. As you know, I promote and believe in slow fashion values. That's why in this video, we're gonna make easy, creative Halloween costumes from scratch. Not only from scratch, but also we're gonna use pieces which you already have in your wardrobe. I think it is a great idea that instead of purchasing another cheap polyester Halloween costume, which as we know after one evening it will end up in the box somewhere in your closet or in the garbage. That's why in this video we're gonna make something unique in slow fashion style. I think it is a great alternative to create something what looks good as well, it's comfortable to wear. You might ask, what about getting a costume from costume rentals? Unfortunately, most costumes in those places are made from pure polyester. What it means that the fabric is not breathable, electrifies, it doesn't absorb water or doesn't warm up or cool down like wool, for example. By the way, I recommend reading my blog post about different fabrics. I broke down this topic in a very easy to read way, and also there are infographics which make it even easier. A few years ago, when I was planning my Halloween look, I went to the local costume rental. Sorry for the quality of photos, the lighting was bad, but my issue was that even though I like those costumes, I wasn't in favor of the fabrics. As I mentioned before, it wasn't comfortable to wear, especially taking into account Polish parties usually last at least 5-6 hours. As a result, I have decided to create my own costume. That's why today we're gonna get creative, and in this video I will show you 5 cool ideas how to make Halloween costumes using pieces from your wardrobe which you own. This brings us to the first option, which is the 20s look. Pearls, fringe, stockings, gloves, and you're ready to go. If you don't have a fringe dress, a classic black dress works fine. This costume is super easy to make and looks really great. If you need more inspiration, I recommend going to Pinterest or YouTube. If you want to make a costume which is historically accurate, I recommend watching Karolina Żebrowska's video. 20s fashion is not what you think. I will put the link in the description below. If you don't like the glamour style, I recommend creating the 90s look. What do you need? You have to borrow a few pieces from your husband's wardrobe. I took jeans, t-shirt, baseball hat and a shirt. Basically the whole look is not mine, so because I borrowed even a belt, so just get everything from your husband's wardrobe. And this is the final result. And you look just like the star from 90s TV show Beverly Hills 90210. Have you watched the show?
Tell me about it, stud.
The third option is to create Sandy's look. Sandy from Grease, of course. Grease is one of the most successful movie musicals of all time. If you haven't seen it and you like musicals, just give it a try. In this look I use black yoga pants, black top, leather jacket, and I also tried to create this short curly hairstyle and heavy makeup, and that's it. The next proposition is the Greek goddess. There are a lot of them. You pick this one whom you like the most. I chose Demeter, who is the Greek goddess of the agriculture. Although she was most often referred to as the goddess of the harvest and the fertility of the earth, she was also the goddess of sacred law and the cycle of life and death. How to make this costume? Firstly, we have to make a wreath. I found this grass in the garden. I don't even know what it is, and I decided to create a wreath. So basically you have to work what you have. My grass is very flexible, so it was easy to create a round shape, and then I secure it with thread. Because I chose Demeter, I decided to go for this natural look. You can also paint the grass gold, it would also look great. Or another option is to create a wreath using artificial flowers. I decided to make it on the budget, so the cheapest option was to collect flowers in the garden. So you can decide what you like the most and what do you want to achieve. As you see, then I decided to add some color, and I also collected this yellow grass. Again, I don't know what it is, but it works great and they look good together. So that's why I added that, and I also secure it with thread. And that's it. So this is the final result. How do you like it? Would you change it? Would you add something? Let me know in the comment section below. I'm curious, what is your aesthetic? So the next part of the look is the dress. A maxi white or ivory chiffon dress works the best. If you don't have this kind of dress, I recommend Sophia dress from my store. I didn't know which one to choose because both of them are gorgeous. You know what? If you're gonna enjoy this video, just let me know in the comment section below and also leave a like, and I'm gonna create a second part because it was so much fun to create those looks. I really enjoyed it. Even though it's a bit late and Halloween is coming soon, however, my propositions are timeless, so you can use it this year or next year, or even you can transform your costume into your children's costume. Remember, this is the slow fashion style. The last costume is the Queen of Hearts. Super simple, you need just a red dress, and the rest it will be our DIY project. So, firstly we have to create a crown. There are a few options. You can use paper, piece of fabric, for instance lace. I saw cool ideas on Pinterest, however, I'm gonna use what I have at home. Again, we are doing that on the budget. This is what I had. I had this piece of gold ribbon. The next thing is to consider the size of the crown. We can create a small one like this one or the big one. I recommend creating something that goes well with your hairstyle and you feel and look good at that. The second part of our DIY project is the card collar. I don't know how to call it, let's call it the Queen's installation. You have to glue cards and create a round shape collar. I created that from the cardboard and then I glued the cards to the cardboard. At the end, I added chopsticks to secure the construction, and also I added more cardboards. And this is the final result. I think it looks great, it looks spectacular. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment section below what costume is the most creative and which one you like the most. If you want to learn more about me and my brand Polish Marketplace by Kamila, follow me on social media, Polished by Kamila. And of course, like this video and subscribe, because if you are here, I believe you love fashion as well as you want to be an informed fashion consumer. I also recommend watching those two videos here. And see you in the next video. Have a great day. Do widzenia, bye bye.